So what's up guys,
Wait a minute! Who are you?
I'm here and you're watching Complex. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your control center style in your Redmi device. So for that, just scroll down, click on setting. After that, just scroll down and you will be looking at notification and control at center. Click on it, click on control center style. Now you can click on new version option. Now it's done. Now you can just if you will be doing from left to right, you will be getting a notification area, and if you will be doing from right side, you will be getting control center.
Nice.
Guys, I have a challenge for you. Can we hit 200 subscribers before this month ends? Let's see if we can do it or not. So guys, that's all for today. Let's meet next video. Till then, bye.